Hey everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome back. In preparation of Halloween, Jeffree Star has come out with some mystery boxes and I picked up the premium one. I know this is the least exciting of them. You get 4 products in here and you pay $40 for this box. But when these went live on the site, I was kind of like, I don't think I really care. And then like a half hour later, I went back and looked at them and I was like, still don't care. And then an hour later went back and I can't believe these were still available, like anything was still available. And I was just like, screw it, I'm gonna get it because there is a product in here that is exclusive only to these boxes and they will never be made again. So I just wanted to see what that product was. I know I can see online what that product is, but I wanted that product. Okay, so the first thing is, it is the mini Jawbreaker palette, and I actually have this, so I will put this aside to donate or put in a future giveaway. Then we have a lip ammunition, and this is in the shade, if it'll tell you, there we go, Brown Sugar. Ooh, Brown Sugar is this gold color? Coppery gold, maybe? Bronzy gold. Very pretty. Not my aesthetic. So I'm also gonna put this to the side, but I didn't swatch it or anything. And then we have a Velour liquid lipstick in the shade Cherry Wet. There we go. My camera just does not want to focus today. Ooh, this is pretty. This one I'm gonna swatch because I'm gonna keep it. But that's that guy. Really pretty, like a deep pink. Maybe that's how you would describe it. Super pretty. Ooh, and then the last product is the exclusive. It is another Velour liquid lipstick and it's in the shade Soul Sucker. Soul Sucker. And hope this is something I would like. Ooh. It is black with gold reflex. Let's see how this swatches. So this is kind of sheer. I put on 3 coats and it's still cute. I'm not sure if you can see those glitter reflex in there, maybe a little bit. It's kind of not overwhelmingly crazy. But it is pretty. Obviously I swatched it, so I'm keeping it. But it's cool for Halloween. Could use it as eyeliner. I love using his liquid lips as eyeliner. So let's see. You know I love to total up how much these boxes are worth. So let me do that real quick. So all of these 4 products together retailed for $82 and I paid $40. So that's a pretty good deal. Like I said, I'm just keeping these 2, Brown Sugar and Soul Sucker, and the mini Jawbreaker palette and the lip ammunition. Bleh, and the lip ammunition Brown Sugar. I will be giving away. So this was cute, this was fun. Kind of on the fence for me if it was worth it, but I kind of like blind boxes, you know, it's like a grab bag, you don't know what's in it, it's super exciting. So I'm hoping he comes out with another one for Christmas because I definitely love getting his stuff. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.